Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and today I'm here to take you with me to Praia do Forte, a beautiful beach town located in the state of Bahia in Brazil. Come take this journey with me and get a glimpse of all this amazing place has to offer. Before we continue, don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment down below. I really appreciate your feedback. We start our journey at the calming Immerse beach. Here, mangroves and forest frame the shoreline of the beach, creating a peaceful and tranquil environment perfect for a leisurely stroll. As the sun slowly creeps out of the darkness, we are also accompanied by the subtle sound of waves and the birds welcoming in the day. The Praia do Forte beach is definitely the highlight of the tour. Here, stunning views of crystal clear waters, white sand and colorful umbrellas dot the shoreline. People come here to simply relax and feel the sea breeze. If you want to take the experience to the next level, you can try some water sports or, if you're feeling adventurous, snorkel among the life underwater. If you're looking for something away from the beach, the village itself is a wonderful place to explore. Here we can find colorful buildings, cobblestones, and tropical vegetation. We can also find many restaurants, cafes, stores, and bars. There is plenty of wonderful local cuisine to try, which will definitely make you fall in love with the culture. Overall, the Praia do Forte area in Brazil was a wonderful and eye-opening experience. I truly hope you enjoyed this journey with me and that you get a chance to visit it one day yourselves. If you liked this video, make sure you don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to check out my other videos. Like and comment below, I would love to hear your thoughts. Until then, all the best and see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.